a terrible YouTube model.
Okay, boys and girls, this is it's probably second largest project we've ever done. We're going to renovate this kitchen, get rid of this fucking wall that we all hate. This is going to be an attached like country kitchen dining room thing. That closet's going. That built-in closet thing's going. These fuck-awful track lights are going. This textured ceiling is going. Oh, it feels good. We're going to put a large window in this wall here. Oh shit, I shouldn't rotate the camera. A large window in this wall. That'll be fun because it's cinder block on the other side of that. Trying to sell these cabinets for beer money. We'll see how that goes. This floor is getting replaced with new bamboo. Gonna get rid of these disgusting 80s eyeball lights. This horrible safety hazard here, the entire thing is getting lowered because for some reason there's a step up and then a step down. We haven't figured out why yet. This little closet to shove Harry Potter in or whatever, that's getting turned into a wine cooler. That'll be nice. Got to reroute some of this plumbing to clean up the finished drywall lines. You can see here some of the original creative building practices of the original owners. That's a garage on the right, 2 layers of wood siding on the left. This house, the original section, is 120 years old or so at this point. I plan on being here the entire month. Should be fun. Owner is excited to remove this wall. Okay, so we have the homeowner with Bertha, my 18-pound sledgehammer.
You ready?
Are you ready? He's ready. Oh, yeah! Yes! Oh, work it! Work it! Oh, I love it.
Here's
Yes!
Oh my god! Oh, we made contact!
Oh yeah! Say it! Say it! Here's Johnny.
Yeah, I already posted it. I'm reading this.
Egads, the mark of the beast, a Robertson screw. We're doomed. You ready?
Yep.
You ready? Oh yeah! Get wrecked! Yes! Get some!
Oh, yes.
There's live wiring in there, camera, so we're going to turn off the camera and do this the right way. Okay, so this is a barrel of fun. Talking to the camera. We have to remove every single staple left behind by the floor. So that's boring and miserable work. I have custom made a staple removal tool by grinding down part of a old pair of channel locks. Get in there with that point and then roll it out. Works pretty well. Kurt over here is using an actual manufactured tool. Having a lot of fun with that. How much fun are you having? Tell the camera how much fun you're having.
I'll kill you all.
Okay. This is day 2. Got all this stuff out. Got the stairs out. This entire bump out's getting removed. This horrible pantry thing is actually quite big. Very out of level and very dirty and moldy and full of mouse feces, so that sucked. Gonna keep on having fun with it. What the absolute hell? What the hell? Whoa, oh no! Oh my god, what is this? We have burned looking wire nuts, a scorched outlet, more junctions behind the fucking sheetrock. Oh, it's all wrapped up with the grounding wire, so apparently we don't ground anything in here. Holy shit. Oh no. That is not code. What do you think, owner? Is that code?
Oh no!
Oh no. That has to get changed.
Oh no!
So, this reads, Richard buried the splice behind drywall. That is evidence of criminal negligence, I believe, for this disaster we just looked at with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wire nuts, 8, 9 wire nuts behind drywall with no enclosures, inaccessible fire hazards, stripped sheathing, etc. You cannot make this shit up. 2 people have been looking at this list of electrical circuits all day. There was a very obvious problem with this list. How do you spell lights? I'll give you a hint. Okay, so end of day 3. Not much has changed over here, except we've added more stuff to our little to-do list. Trying to figure out a solution. We need an access panel to get to this plumbing and feed lines, as we suspect this will have issues sooner rather than later. We need to get to it without sawzawing out my beautiful floor. Current in the running is a removable stair or access panels in the hardwood floor. We'll see what we wind up going with. Got a lot of fucked up, weird, mouse-eaten electrical out today. We're going to end up redoing most of these breakers, putting in at least 8 new circuits, possibly more. Master plan over here. God damn it, Richard. Ripped out the ceiling. Got a lovely, hope this shows up, lovely basket weave pattern on the insulation. Might just leave it. And you really need sheetrock when you have that. Some asshole got a nosebleed and splattered blood all over the job site. So, yeah, that's mine. Typo negative. Red Cross is all over me.
Hey.
Putting a pantry in here. It's going to be on the diagonal for better access, so the door will be facing this way more or less. And our lovely work of modern art by Richard. This was all buried behind sheetrock. This and that and that. A little bit of a code violation. Do not do this. Time for beer. 11. I skipped forward like 5 days because I'm lazy. This window was installed with no header, no window frame, just knocked out with an axe or something, cinder block. So we're going to take these headers, put them in that hole, and do this right. This window was held on with 1 nail and 1 piece of baling wire. No corner left uncut. Here we go. Now this is a lot nicer than that horrible redneck clusterfuck we had in here before. 2 actual headers with reinforced rebar in there. Actual frame to nail the window to, filled in all nice. Richard's turning over in his grave somewhere. End of day 12. Got this window in. It's an Anderson. That's cool. The forecasted rain came like 5 hours late. I didn't adjust my schedule or anything like that. Ceiling's up. I hate doing ceilings, but I had this lovely, lovely drywall lift. Kitchen wall's done. Hallway wall's done. What do you say, helper? Horrible panel of death. A little concerned about this because we have to move this big mother into an already... Oh, you can't see shit like this.
And this, I'm assuming?
Yeah. Gotta move this big mother, a 2224 service wire, into this already overloaded panel. Fun.